So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday, 11th of April. Now let's just have a look what our prices and where prices might progress. So here on the use of the XAUUSD, we've had price 1320, found support at this very strong major level, had price progress to the upside, headed all the way up towards this 34.51, had a brief pullback down towards that 13.28, didn't quite get down towards that 13.26, held support at 13.28, a level previously identified, from which we did have a move up towards that 34.51, brief pullback, broke above 34.51, weren't able to hold, didn't retrace all the way back down towards that 13.28, formed a higher low, so we've had a series of higher lows, just looking a bit messy here, so we've had a series of higher lows here after progressing, and then after progressing upwards, we've had this move back above the 34.51, from which we have seen the move, this continuation here to the upside, breaking beyond this 34.51. Now, we're in around an area we previously found resistance in around 13.44.26. We're currently trading at 13.44.51. So there remains a possibility of seeing sell-side momentum come into this market from where we are at present. Breakdown from the prices from, so we have to be a bit cautious. Breakdown from the 13.44.26 could potentially see us retrace all the way down to 13.40, or ultimately down towards a very next strong major level in around 13.34.51. So there remains a possibility of breaking up from where we are at present, as we're in around an area of potential resistance, breaking back down towards a 13.34.51. And if we do not hold support there, I suppose we could see, depending on volatility, we could see a move down towards that 13.28. But overall, the most recent trend here, after finding support at a very strong major level of 13.20, has been to the upside. Now, if we do see progression above and beyond the 13.44.26, if we do break and hold above 13.44.26, we then look for price progress towards that 13.50. Successful break from which we're looking for the very next strong major level of 13.57.22. Here in the market, I wouldn't anticipate pricing moving much beyond 13.57.22, but if we do have a particular volatile day, we've got an important swing in the market in around that 13.61.62, and a break from there, we're looking for price progress towards that 13.67.10, which is the last major swing high here in the market. Now we'll have a brief look at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the XAUUSD. So here we are. So we've had highs, lower highs, and a lower high still. We've had our lows, a lower low. We've had a higher low there. Progression to the upside. So we're going to a bit of a price contraction squeeze. So we've got a higher low, lower high. We've had prices come down, found support at 13.20. So we do seem poised to retest those old highs in around 13.57. And even though we were a bit range bound, we do appear to be going to price consolidation. So if we continue to hold above 13.20, we'll see when where our next major swing low is in the market, our major swing highs. See if we can see a breakout, potentially a breakout to the upside here on the XAUUSD. Downside does appear to be limited after having the strong move to the upside. We do seem to be finding a lot of buys around 13.05 levels. So there remains a possibility of seeing a break to the upside. We'll see how prices react if we do see this progression beyond 13.44 up towards our 13.57, where we can see a break and a test of that 13.61 and 13.67. 13.67 being this most recent high here in the market from 2018 actually. Just there in around 13.67.10. With that said, that wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.